How to create a playlist on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is select the plus button on the bottom of your screen. Then tap the gallery image selection on your lower screen. Then you can choose the photo or the video you want to upload. Example, I want to upload this cat. And just tap next and next again. And at the lower of your screen, you can see more options. You want to click it. And there you go, you have add to playlist. You select it. And let's add new playlist. Cat. Click down and just pause it. There you go. You upload your video and you have your playlist. And as you can see, you don't have to get minimum 10,000 people to follow you or something like that, because I don't even have any follower to begin with. So as my understanding, to have the ability to make playlists, your account needs to actively engaging in TikTok. In other words, your account is actively follow people, likes and comment on the video you like. So at the end, the TikTok algorithm find your account alive and deserve to have it. I came to this conclusion because I do have a total of 5 TikTok accounts to experiment, and only this my main account that I use daily have the ability to make playlists. And the only difference between this account and other account is my main account are the only one I actively using. I do apologize if this explanation is not good for you. Right here, I just want to emphasize that you don't need a minimum number of followers to make a playlist on your TikTok. And I do hope this video helped you in some other way. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.